Welcome to another episode of Jumpin' in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided to make this dish for Super Bowl Sunday 2025. This is what's jumping in my pot today: garlic, butter, bacon, cheeseburger roll-up. I would like to know, what are you all making for Super Bowl Sunday? Drop it in the comment section. Let's get to the ingredients: garlic powder, black pepper, salt, fresh garlic, diced bacon, diced onions, and also you're going to need Crescent Pillsbury roll, ground beef, melted butter, and shredded cheddar cheese. I have a skillet here, and I'm going to turn it on medium-low. This is what we're going to be using to fry up the ground beef and onions together. We add the ground beef, and then we add the onions. We're going to let it fry up for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it turns nice golden brown in color. Cover it up, and we're going to wait for this to cook. Let's check and see how the ground beef and onions are coming along. If you have too much of excess fat on it, after frying it, pour some of it off. Drain it off. Now, we're going to add the garlic powder, the black pepper, and salt. Then we're going to mix this up. Now what we're going to do is turn it off and let it cool a bit. I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the Pillsbury Crescent rolls, and we're going to open them out. The triangle side down. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the ground beef mixture, and with a spoon, we're going to take a spoonful and put it on the crescent. Then we're going to get some cheese, and we're going to put some cheese on it. Then we add some crumbled bacon in it. Then we roll it up. We roll the large end up first. This is a nice little snack while watching the Super Bowl game. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, after we roll all of these up, we got one more step to do. Now let me show you the next thing I'm going to do. I have a grater here with the fresh garlic. I'm grating it in the melted butter. We're making a butter sauce. Oops. We're making a garlic butter sauce. I have the garlic butter sauce here and a pastry brush. I'm spreading it over every cheeseburger roll-up. I'm going to pop the cheeseburger roll-up in the oven now for 10 to 12 minutes. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. Here you have it, garlic butter cheeseburger roll-up. You can serve these with ketchup, mustard, or your favorite dip. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.